The roots of education are always bitter, but the fruit is very sweet. Hello dear students, my name is Ashfa Zubair and I am Assistant Professor at Hygia Group of Institutions. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of new academic session. Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Dear students, due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. Most of the colleges of country have started online classes. You must take advantage of this opportunity. It will help us to make connection with you all, and this will help to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. I will love to see your individual talents and strengths and watching you grow during your education. If you have any query, you can ask on WhatsApp groups or call personally. My dear students, success has no shortcuts. So be responsible, be sincere and be creative. Good luck. Thank you.
The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Hello, all my dear students. Myself, Rashmi Samant, Assistant Professor of Hygia Institute, welcome you all on the behalf of Hygia family. Dear students, I just want to say that education is not the preparation for life, education is life itself. So just believe in yourself and all you all know that there is something inside you which is greater than any obstacle. Dear students, due to this pandemic condition COVID-19, Hygia Institute providing you the best way to educate yourself and impart your knowledge through digitalization mode with the help of Hygia online classes, video lectures and presentations. So all of you just stay your home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.
It is easy to get the thousands of prescription and hard to get a single remedy. Hello everyone, my name is Akansha Sharma, Assistant Professor of Hygia Institute. Welcome you all on behalf of Hygia family, which was established in the year 2005. The institute is charged with not only the vibrant curricular activities, but also with the married activities like conferences, student competition, industrial training of the students, and social activities. Technology cannot prevent the onset of pandemic. However, it will help us to prevent the spread, to educate, to warm, and to empower those who are in ground and are aware of the situation. So, you will get the best experience by studying online, which will provide you more flexibility by choosing your own learning environment. The mission of Hygia is to provide you best education experience, growth opportunity, and sustain leadership that will enable you to grow, to thrive, and to prosper. Again, I want to welcome you all for becoming the part of Hygia family. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
कहते हैं education is not only the learning of facts, it is the training of your mind to think. So hello everyone, I'm Umesh, serving as assistant professor in Hygia Group of Institutions. So it is a great pleasure for me to welcome you all in Hygia family. सो जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं करंट टाइम में कोविड-19 जैसी सिचुएशन पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड में बहुत ही चिंताजनक बनी हुई है, बट इस सिचुएशन में भी हमको अपनी लर्निंग्स से कंप्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना है। अपनी लर्निंग्स को न्यू वर्जन्स के फीचर्स प्रोवाइड करने के लिए हमको मिनट बाय मिनट का शेड्यूल क्रिएट करते हुए चलना है, क्योंकि एक कहावत कही गई है कि वक्त मिलता है ज़िंदगी बदलने के लिए, बट दोबारा ज़िंदगी नहीं मिलती है वक्त बदलने के लिए। सो आपके इस शेड्यूल को बहुत ही अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करने के लिए हमारा हाइजिया ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस आपको ऑनलाइन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करवाएगा, जिसके अंतर्गत हम लोग ऑनलाइन वीडियोस, ऑनलाइन क्विजेस एंड अदर टाइप्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन एक्टिविटीज़ प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे। एंड लास्ट, आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग ये सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स को बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करेंगे और अपने सपनों की उड़ान भरेंगे। सो इन लास्ट, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू यू ऑल इन हाइजिया फैमिली। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, मैं हूँ श्रुति रिचा from Hijra Group of Institutions and I welcome to you all for the next upcoming session. We all are going to teach you for the next 4 years, so be prepared and do your studies well. And if your mind develops any of the questions, any of the queries, then you may ask to us. This time is quite difficult for you all because maybe for the first time you are going to study online or you are going to learn it by online classes. So पढ़िए, जहाँ पे भी कन्फ्यूजन होता है, जहाँ पे भी माइंड में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, क्वेश्चंस डेवलप होते हैं, just ask and clear all your doubts. So all the very best, because now you are going to make yourself professionally to compete and stand. So thank you, all the very best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello students, my name is Rishabh Singh and I'm working as an assistant professor with Hijra Group of Colleges. Hijra Group of Colleges are among the best colleges present in India. Hijra Group is like a family and I welcome all of you to become a part of it. As a family, we will work together to make your future bright and meaningful. I also congratulate you for taking your first step in your career making process. Students, due to corona pandemic, we will continue to interact with each other through online sessions. Best of luck for your online sessions. Feel free to interact with me for any query regarding your forthcoming sessions.